are starting off with freshly washed hair. So I'm silk pressing my hair out just to give my hair a healthy hair maintenance, is what I like to call it. I'm using a clarifying shampoo just to get it really squeaky clean so that it'll flow. You know, you want that body, that bounce. And here I'm putting in the conditioner. So I like to comb through with a wide tooth comb just to make sure I get the conditioner all over my hair really, really well. So I'm really proud of my hair progress because I've had a time with my hair, like just dealing with breakage, putting color in my hair, not being intentional, and not really caring for my hair properly. A lot of people ask, like, what's the secret to healthy hair? It's really just being intentional with your hair, and that's what I've really been doing the last couple of months, and I'm so proud of the results. So here I'm going under the hydration machine with the conditioner. Usually I would actually use an aloe vera plant, and I would sit under the hydration machine with that, but I didn't go to the store, so I just used a conditioning treatment. So I am sectioning off my hair to be able to blow dry it. So yeah, the secret to healthy hair is really just putting the love into your hair, like watching what you eat. Just like everything else, it starts from the inside out. So just watching what you eat, getting good intake of water, and making sure that your styles are good for your hair just in general, like not pulling too hard, nothing's pulling your scalp, and letting your hair breathe a lot of times. So here I am blow drying my hair out. Shrinkage is real. Okay, I did not even know my hair had grew that long because I actually cut it probably about a year and a half ago. So, and I cut it to where it was literally probably like less than an inch long. So it's grown out so much. So I'm going to be doing a lot of updates on my healthy hair journey. As you see, I have, I guess, what they would call 4C textured hair, and I just want to show how you can grow it from my hair being broken, like my hair was not the business, okay? So I just want to show people how you can actually grow your hair. You want to get the hair super dry. So I am doing a silk out, and you want to get the hair super dry because once you put that flat iron to it, if it's not really dry, it'll shrivel up at your root. So I'm using the Chi Silk, I think it's called Silk Infusion, but that's the silk that I'll be using on my hair for this press out. My hair is all the way dry, no wet spots. Like I said, you don't want any wet spots. And I'm not a middle part girl, but I'm actually parting my hair in the middle here just so I can get the symmetry in my hair. I usually like side parts, but once you wrap your hair to the, if you do wear a side part, to the side that you like it to fall. So therefore you can do middle, and you can actually wear it on the side too, but I'm just doing it in the middle now just for symmetry purposes when I start cutting. So you got to get that kitchen back there, and what I'm using is a super small flat iron from H2 Pro. really scared to press my hair out because I don't like, I've dealt with heat damage, but it's only a one-time thing, and I'm actually going to be using Olaplex in one of my videos. It'll probably be the next video just to see how that works, but so the trick here is when you're doing a silk press, you want to get really, really super small sections. Just to make sure that you're getting all of your root. You want to make sure you get all of that. So that's why it's really important to use small sections when you are doing your silk press. So again, here I am using really small sections, as you can see, super paper thin. I wouldn't say paper, but yeah, paper thin parts, because you want to get all of that root, all of the hair. So you can see a lot of my breakage by of course, the see-through parts in my hair, and where the frizz is, that's where it needs to be cut. I was so scared cutting in this video. Like, I should have cut a lot more off. But yes, what I'm gonna do is it's probably gonna be this length for a while, because I'm gonna probably about 6 more months I'm gonna cut it again, and then when I do that, it'll look so much more fuller and healthier, because you're eventually cutting off all of those frizzies, those split ends. So yeah, I'll probably leave it this length for a little while until it all catches up together and is completely full. But I'm so happy with my hair. I've worked so hard to get it to this point. So for this part, I am wrapping my hair. Usually I will use some saran wrap and sit under the dryer under a low setting, a cool setting. You do not want to sit under the dryer on a hot setting. I did that one time, and when I tell you, my hair sweated out so bad. So you want to make sure the dryer is very, very cool. So what I'm substituting it with is a shower cap. And I am so sorry, y'all. I forgot to come back and show y'all the finished result. It still looked the same as it did earlier in the video, but that's me sitting under the dryer. I will do more videos on this coming up, so you'll be able to see it.